This is iPhone 15 Plus, and in this video I'll show, or rather I'll share, how you can prevent and fix the overheating on this device. So first advice I would give is that you avoid exposing your smartphone to the direct sun rays for extended periods of time. Then what you might also want to do is to avoid charging your smartphone with a fast charging equipment, even though it supports the fast charging and it shouldn't cause any problems. But from my experience, every time you use it, the battery gets overheated, hence the whole phone temperature is increased consequentially. So, well, if you do not care about the faster charging, you just want to prevent overheating, that's the advice that I would give. Do not fast charge your battery. And then if you have already faced this issue and would like to do something about it or help your smartphone cool itself down, you might want to go into settings, battery, first enroll the low power mode, then enter the display and brightness category and throw both dark mode and adaptive brightness on top. So here is the dark mode, and somewhere here should be the adaptive brightness as well, which somehow isn't here. Interesting. Let me be honest with you, but I guess today we will not use the auto brightness then. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.